This is your DC Snow Alert. To all snow bucks and snow bunnies, it's rough, as you well know. We've been out and about trying to figure out how to make it to each other. We're trying to prance, we're trying to shake, we're trying to get it in. This buck is still afoot. I'm tired. I only have one hoof working. I'm limping to the side, but my horns are still pointy and I'm ready for action. So, to all the snow bunnies out there, get those tails dry. Get them in the air. Get to your windows, balconies, and porches. Come out to the terraces and shake it. Shake it. Shake it, baby. And to all those bucks, do not fret. There's a snow bunny waiting for you, too. This is your roaming buck reporter, and this has been your DC Snow Alert. Get to bucking.